Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Today I want to tell about the news of cryptocurrency from dailycoin.com. Bored Apps NFT sell the world's most expensive campaign battle, with the world seeing the ever faster adoption of blockchain and NFTs. It comes as little surprise that the average price being paid for rare NFTs is skyrocketing by the hour. But what if NFT also came with a battle of the finished South African wine, the magnum of Chateau Avenue Foods? Well, it turned out that the company sold it the most expensive campaign battle ever, Magnum 25, which is now owned by Italian brother Giovanni and Piero Bueno. From Twitter, Elite Traveler. A magnum of Chateau Avenue Foods 2017. A magnum of Chateau Avenue Foods 2017 has broke record to become the most expensive campaign in the world, after selling for a cool $2 million to erase cats out. 5 NFT included in the $2 million deal. The Italian brother acquired the Bored Apps NFT campaign battle in a private auction. Interestingly, one of the brothers, Giovanni, explained that the purchase was a long-term investment for this volatile market time. Well, people will look for places to store their wealth for a while, and that could be a campaign with an NFT attached to it, explained Mr. Bono. The NFT campaign battle included Bored App, the Mutant App, and Sneaky Vampire. The new owner of the acquisition bottle will be able to use the Bored App NFT. However, they wish, after all, many celebrities that purchased Bored App Club NFT after incorporate them into their work, with rapper Snoop Dogg and actor Seth Green among them. While Snoop Dogg is getting ready to open a Bored App candy shop, Seth Green plans to use his lost and found Bored App for his next TV show. In NFTs, the new diamond, the wine itself might well be rare and delicious, but that's not the only reason for its sky-high price. Same since the creator of the campaign, if you knew what NFT bottle, previously sold the Taste of Diamond campaign bottle for $1 million. This was back in 2030, when the crypto game had just kicked off. MTS are the newest diamond, same since hindsight. The NFT campaign battle was designed by Miguel Sear, and renowned illustrator for the Bored App Club. In a vivid description, semi-scene went into detail of design of the world's most expensive bottle, and encrusted with diamond cuts, Swarovski crystal with pure pewter embedded in the design. So Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.